When it comes to designing your snowflake, you will use a pencil. I'm just going to use a marker so you can see easier in the video. We are going to use this as our line of symmetry. You can do any kind of design you want. One thing to experiment with is trying to make one side taller and one side shorter. And what you're going to do is you're going to draw the areas that you're going to cut out or that will become the negative space. I like to try a design that usually, again, has this as a taller edge. So I know I'm going to cut here, and then I'm going to come over here. And this will be the area that I remove. If it's helpful even to sort of draw some lines there, knowing that you're removing that area, that might be helpful, but you can also just draw your line you're going to cut. I'm going to follow the same rules we did in 3rd grade with the papel picados. When I'm drawing the areas I'm going to cut, I want to make them pretty simple, and they can't be touching, so I need to leave a little space. And I'm going to draw the next area I'm going to cut out. Do another one over here. For this one, I'm going to keep things pretty simple and just use triangles. I'll do maybe cut the bottom off very carefully. So here's my design that I've come up with. Again, for me, I tried to keep one side taller and one side shorter to give me a more traditional looking snowflake, but we'll be able to experiment. When I'm cutting, I'm using the back of the scissors rather than the tip top of the scissors. Not only is it stronger, but it's also easier to control. I'm making sure I'm cutting through all the layers. So you'll notice there, I just tried to cut with the tip of my scissors and it got weak and it sort of didn't cut right. So again, I'm going to come back in here with the base of my scissors. Okay. If it's stuck, make sure you hold it carefully when you pull so it doesn't rip. This will go in the garbage. And now I can slowly open up and I should have a 6-pointed snow crystal. Experiment with how much positive space and negative space as you create your snowflake today.